Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 6. Which of the following remain unchanged as light travels from one medium to another? Speed, wavelength, frequency. Now, let's establish the phenomenon known as refraction. When light travels from one medium to another, there are certain changes we see, and these changes are associated with what we call refraction. Now, refraction is the bending of a light ray as it crosses the boundary between two media. This media now is the plural of media. It is between two medium of different densities. For example, when light travels from air to glass or from air to water. Now it is seen that when light travels from one medium to another, there are certain changes that occur. Now these changes that occur leads to the bending of the light ray that brings about refraction. It simply means that refraction is accompanied by some changes, and these changes include: 1. Change in speed of the lights, and 2. Change in wavelength of light, but the frequency remains unchanged. So the answer to this question is actually 3 only, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.